Hey guys, I bet you've never thought about what happens when you add baking soda to your tap water, but trust me, it's pretty cool. So, check this out. When baking soda dissolves in water, it raises the pH, making it less acidic. This can be super helpful if your tap water is too acidic. Now, this is really interesting because it also softens your water. You know how some places have hard water with all those dissolved minerals? Well, baking soda can bind with those minerals, like calcium and magnesium, and make them less active. This can help prevent scale buildup in your pipes and appliances. Let's break this down and take a closer look at what's really going on at the molecular level. I'm going to show you a simple experiment that'll blow your mind. First, you'll need a glass of water and a teaspoon of baking soda. Pour the baking soda into the water and stir it well until it completely dissolves. You'll notice the water might turn slightly cloudy. This is normal and indicates the baking soda is dissolving. Next, take a pH test strip and dip it into the water to see the change in pH level. You'll see that the pH level has increased, making the water less acidic. Compare this with a glass of plain tap water and you'll see the difference. This simple experiment shows how baking soda can neutralize acidity and soften water by interacting with minerals. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to improve your tap water.